Hello and welcome to Module 8. I am alone this week because this is going to be a quick video. Clausen is enjoying some time, so I told him I was going to jump in and do this quick video for you. So I'm going to try to get this done in less than 2 minutes. Are you ready? Let's go. Module 8 is fall break. So we're going to try to keep things light so that way you have some time to get into your internship, do stuff, but also give yourself a chance to take a break and have some fun. So let's dive in. As we click into the overview, the video I'm recording right now will land in this particular spot. There are a couple things I want to go over with you. You are working on your pilot, you're working on your internship. You will be filling out a time card this week. Please make sure that you add in all that important information about your time card and what's happening within your site, so all those important activities. You do not have an HCD project for this week, so you are off the hook for that assignment. You do have Yellow Dig, and we have a mid-course kind of check-in reflection that you're going to be completing. So let's kind of jump into this a little bit more. I'm going to click the next button. Again, Yellow Dig, you'll be talking about the mid-course reflection. So spend some time chatting there. This is a good time to kind of decompress and to think about your pilot without thinking about adding something else on or adding something new. So keep that in mind. Use this time to reflect and think and share what you're doing this week in your timesheet. So as we keep jumping, the mid-course reflection is 5 questions. So, and it's broken down into 3 categories. The first 2 questions about your project implementation. So please read the questions and tell us honestly what you're feeling, what you're thinking. Answer those questions. We love looking at your feedback, and we make changes to the course based on what you're saying. We make changes to the project based on what you tell us. So again, first 2 questions about project implementation. The second 2 questions, so questions 3 and 4, are all about your internship and what's happening with your internship and how you feel about what's happening at your internship. And then question number 5 is about the course. So thinking about the course pieces and the things that we're asking you, what are your thoughts and feelings there? So that is Module 8. Pretty quick, pretty simple. Again, spend some time with your internship, work on your project, tell us what you're feeling and you're thinking in that reflection, work with your peers in Yellow Dig, and don't forget to do that time card. Have a great week, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.